Today we're demonstrating our lower body yoga mobility flow warm-up for you. So just a reminder what it looks like. We're going to start either in the high plank here, or if that's too much, you can start on your knees. What we're going to do is slowly lower into a push-up, resting your chest on the ground, uncurl your toes, relax the hips, press the upper body up, and we're going to curl our toes, press into that down dog position, and just pedal out our feet, feeling a stretch in the calves and the hamstrings. Then we're going to take our right foot and bring it to the outside of our right hand, lift our right hand and turn up. Bring the right hand back down, bring the right foot back, push back into that downward dog position. Pedal out the feet and do the same thing on the left side. Left side, outside of left hand, lift the left hand, bring it back down. Then we're going to bring our right foot up and we're going to sit in this squat position. And then again, all we're doing is feeling where we feel the stretch most and sink into that. So sometimes it's just sinking your butt a little bit lower, using your elbows to press out at your knees. After you've sat there for about 10 seconds, we're going to put our hands on the mat, lift our hips up to feel a big stretch in our hamstrings and our calves, and come back down. Just up and down, just like that. You're going to repeat that one more time through. There you have it. Thanks for watching.